In today's video, I am going to teach you how to work with demo content on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. To begin, log into your Squarespace account using your normal sign-in method. This is the starting point for making any changes to your website, because all of the editing tools are available from inside your Squarespace dashboard. Once you are signed in, give the dashboard a moment to load fully. You should see the sites connected to your account, along with the main options Squarespace provides for managing them. Now select the site you want to edit. If you have more than one website in your account, take a moment to make sure you are choosing the correct one. This matters because demo content is often similar from one template to another, and it is easy to start editing the wrong site if you move too quickly. Click on the site you want to work on, and Squarespace will open the management area for that specific website. Once the site is open, look for the site preview. This is where you can see the current design of your website, including the sample sections, placeholder text, and demo images that came with the template. Click Edit on your site preview to enter the page editor. This is the workspace where you can directly interact with the page content and begin replacing the demo material with your own information. After the editor loads, locate the section that contains the demo content you want to change. Demo content usually appears as placeholder headlines, sample body text, stock images, buttons, or layout examples that were included to show how the template can look. In Squarespace 7.1 with Fluid Engine, these sections are flexible, so you can adjust the content and layout directly on the page. Take a moment to look over the section before changing anything, so you understand what each block is doing and how the layout is arranged. Next, click on the text or image blocks you want to replace. If you click a text block, you can edit the placeholder wording and enter your own text. This might be a heading, a short description, a paragraph, or any other written content that appears in the section. Replace the demo wording with content that fits your own website. If you click an image block, you can replace the placeholder image with an image that better represents your brand, product, service, or message. The goal here is to keep the structure of the demo section, but swap out the sample content for real content that belongs on your site. As you make these changes, pay attention to how the content looks inside the layout. Fluid Engine gives you more control over positioning than older Squarespace editing systems, so you are not limited to a rigid layout. This is especially useful when your own text is longer or shorter than the demo text, or when your replacement image has a different shape or focus. To adjust the layout, drag, resize, or rearrange blocks by holding the handles on the corners of each element. When you select a block, you should see controls around it that allow you to change its size or placement. Dragging a block lets you move it to a new position within the section. Resizing a block can help the content fit better, especially if an image needs more space or a text area needs to be wider. Rearranging blocks allows you to fine-tune the design while still working within the existing section. Take your time with this part. Small adjustments can make the demo content feel much more customized and polished. Try to keep spacing balanced and make sure the text remains easy to read. If you are replacing demo images, check that the most important part of the image is visible after resizing. If you are editing text, make sure the layout still looks clean after the new wording is added. When you are happy with the changes, click Save in the top left corner to apply them. Saving is important because it stores the edits you made to the page. If you leave the editor before saving, your changes may not be applied. Once the save is complete, your demo content has been replaced or adjusted, and your section will now reflect your own content more accurately. That covers everything you need to know.